Do you want to check our luggage, Shannon?
Yeah, check our luggage.
Oh, it's all here, looks like.
It's all in one spot.
It's like they're all there.
Guys, fine. Hot day at Hollywood Beach.
Super hot day.
We're sneaking around. Yes. This is the day before we're supposed to pick up the boat.
Edward can't wait another 12 hours.
So here we are, we found the Leopard docks, or Harbor Town Marina.
Yes, trying to find our boat now.
How are we going to tell it's ours?
It has a missing cushion on the top, apparently. It already has something missing. We haven't even stepped on it. Looks like it might be down there.
Okay. What do you think it'll look like?
Like the pictures.
Because they're all the same.
Yes. 45.
There's one of them. I think it's the top cushion. What?
Is it the oh no, that's not a 45. Well, this one has a dinghy hanging from it though.
Oh yeah, ours doesn't have a dinghy. Probably this one.
It's this one. Ooh.
Is it this one?
Must be this one.
Looks like it's cleaned up pretty well.
Looks pretty clean.
Black fenders. Has a bowsprit at the front.
This is probably it. What if this is it?
Got no seams. I can't see it, but I can see him bite. Ow! I can feel it. I can feel him biting us.
Should we go on and see? Look
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Hold on. Oh.
Your feet are gonna be black. Oh my goodness.
See if it's missing the cushion, then we know it's ours. Yes, it's missing a cushion.
It's missing a cushion! Here.
Yeah.
Turn around, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is our boat.
Crazy.
This is our boat. And we're leaving black footprints everywhere. You are.
Am I?
Oh, I am too. Yes.
Oh, Shannon.
Busted. Look at all the lines.
All brand new.
All brand new.
What do you think?
Oh, it's nice.
That's good. It's all washed up, nice and clean, ready to be delivered tomorrow. Tomorrow they're going to be coming out here and saying, what are those footprints? Came on the boat last night.
No idea. Wasn't me. Wow, this is like our boat.
Yeah, this is where we're going to live for next year and a half. Our new home. Probably can't sit too long. Ah, holy cow. Whew. Oh my goodness. Alright, what are your first impressions, Shannon? Good?
Yeah, really good.
It's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
See the boat for the first time. It's all decked out nice. It actually looks nicer than when we saw it at the boat show, I
Yeah,
think.
definitely, I think. Yeah, it looks a lot cleaner, obviously.
It's all cleaned up.
It's pretty fancy, like everything's silver and white and black.
We didn't see anything on the inside yet, but the outside looks quite nice.
Yeah.
So tomorrow morning, come back here and then take it out for a sea trial. And then look on the inside.
Yeah,
Make sure there are no leaks.
Leaks, latches, and levels.
All right, Shannon, ready to see Doug?
Yep.
Got some wind for our test sail.
You ready?
I don't know. Here we go.
worst places in the world to be, aren't they?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, we're gonna make it look super easy.
And then we're gonna come out here and be all thumbs.
No problem. It's imperative that you listen, shut your engine off immediately. You got major problems. You have to register this item yourself. You have to make absolutely certain that you check the zincs on your boat. You want to ensure that it doesn't have any leaks or anything. If you hear that, start freaking out. Start freaking out at OCD level. Manually pumps the vessel. At any point you need to use that, you need to be off your boat. If it decides to slide around and bust a through hull off, your boat will sink.
You ever wondered what the store looked like, West Marine? This is a big store.
Big story. Let's just say I'm signing an acceptance and release form.
Signing your life away. As they say, this is one of the best days of your life.
All right. Congratulations, Shannon.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to the two of you.
Yeah, thank you, Doug.
You're now part of the family.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Everett. Oh.
Go.
Hi, Beaner.
The boat.
Yeah, let's go see the boat.
Hey, I know why the Leopard 45 is called a Leopard 45. And why a Leopard 45 is a catamaran.
Why?
Cause get it? Cat-a-maran. That's a funny joke. Now, which one's our boat? I think that one.
How'd you know?
Let's see.
Dad bought you a boat.
Jumping. Here you go.
Let's go see.
Gonna go pick out which room's which.
Let's see.
Wow. What Sierras look like?
What do you think, Sierra?
It's good.
Yeah. And push. Open.
I can put my treasure here.
We do.
I have the 5 wishes stinger. It smells.
That's the new boat smell.
It smells awful. I can put some stuffies here. Books. I can go jumping.
Which you're very good at.
My very own uniest bathroom in the world.
Is that big enough for you?
I'm small. And I can wash my hands the same time on the toilet.
Takes a kid to figure that out.
Genius.
What do you think of the kitchen?
It's pretty small.
It's pretty small, yeah.
Here's the
All those
trampoline.
doors will be open.
Can we bounce on it, Daddy?
Yeah, sure. Jumping. Let's do it. Let's see.
And I think I jump higher on this one. Daddy, there's something we haven't explored yet.
How did you get up there?
Wow, wow, wow.
Whoa! What do you think of this spot?
Wow. jump off here into the water.
Sierra, what do you think? Jumping on the couches already.
My favorite part is my room.
What's your favorite part?
Oh my God, I don't know.
This is
But
pretty
it's
nice
so
up here.
great. Holy, that's pretty hard to take this all.
Up to the VIP lounge.
Heroines and coffees. Cheers. All right, Julie. Thanks a lot.
Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandma. Grandma.
Okay, what's your name?
Sierra. And I have a wiggly kid.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old. And October 24th, I'm gonna be 6. But for right now, I have a loose tooth. It's bleeding right now because I bit with my pizza, and it's really hurting.
Have a look.
I think it's time to get it out.
Have a look. Oh yeah, look at that, Sierra. There's the adult tooth right behind.
I'm gonna pull out my tooth.
Are you sure it's ready, Sierra?
Yeah.
Are you scared or not?
I'm not. It's out.
Let's see, Sierra.
It's out.
It
Let's
was
see.
quite ready, but we
Oh.
got it. Look at that long route.
Show me your teeth like this.
All right.
Yay, Sierra. What is that alien called?
A Yeti.
Huh?
Who's that?
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
I know what's happening.
What's good?
Done.
And show me how the X-Wings convert.
Wait, but they're not in battle yet.
I have to visit Yoda first.
The same.
Same! Come join me in the dark side.
Never! Three, two, one.
And beans! Who's your favorite character in Star Wars?
Chewbacca.
What kind of alien is Chewbacca?
She's a Yeti.
Everett, is he a Yeti?
What's your favorite character?
R2D2.
Who's your favorite character, Mom? Princess Leia? Han Solo.
Yeah, I like Han Solo.
Oh, Daddy, what's your favorite character?
I like Bean Skywalker.